Halloween is just around the corner, and this year, instead of doing the same boring thing, why not bring an original Halloween game to your classroom? Halloween's all about trick-or-treating, and that's exactly what you and your students will do in this game. But here's the twist. You don't just go around collecting candy. Actually, kids learn about the Halloween characters and items while playing. Setup, surprise, and no preparation needed. You can play for 10 minutes or stretch it to 20. So kids get excited, they laugh, and they stay engaged. The element of luck makes the game even more thrilling. So every round feels like a spooky adventure. And here's the best part. You only need to get ready once. After that, you can use it every year, just like me. But I didn't stop there. I've packed in a whole set of Halloween worksheets too. Activities like writing, connecting, circling, tracing, reading, and coloring. Each one designed to take 5 to 10 minutes as a warm-up or even a quick homework. I also built 4 different levels, split for odd and even years, so that means you got 8 years of no-stopping Halloween activities ready to go. Practical, simple, flexible for every classroom. Plus, I've added new challenges and extra coloring pages. Some are simple for younger kids, some are more detailed for older ones. And here's a fun tip. You can use the coloring scenes for storytelling as well. To keep students motivated all October, I created special Halloween point cards. Kids can color it, collect points, and earn little rewards during Halloween season. So this Halloween pack is made for one purpose, to give you an amazing, no-prepare, high-engaging lesson that kids love and you will actually enjoy teaching. Just like me, you will even see some funny old videos I made here in my channel with my kids explaining how to play the game. And I will be sharing your tips and strategies soon in new videos to help you get the best out of this pack. So now it's your turn, so clicking the button or link below this video, download your Halloween pack, get ready to boost your engagement, spark interaction, and give your kids an unforgettable, spooky Halloween in English.